Hi, Terry Brown here. Did you know that through personal growth and development, you can positively change the direction of your life? We can empower ourselves to change our lives. I'm Terry Brown. I've got a really quick message I want to share with you. One, I want to share a brief thought with you about self-leadership. And the other I want to share with you is about our incredible business opportunity. Stay with me for the next couple of minutes. Okay, have a real quick, a mini message, okay, on self-leadership. And I've entitled this, How to Empower Your Life and Business Through Self-Leadership. And of course, this is mini message number one. And self-leadership is, first of all, it's about change, okay? And as you can see, a thought here that one of my favorite thoughts is nothing changes until something changes, okay? And it was Ken Blanchard who said that the biggest inhibitor to change lies within yourself, and nothing gets better until you change. You see, when we talk about self-leadership, we're talking about positively changing our lives to make a significant difference in our own lives, okay, and the lives of those around us. So no matter whether you become a leader of people or you simply become a leader of yourself, self-leadership is an incredible place to be in, an incredible position to be in. Lau Tzu, the great Chinese philosopher, said, mastering yourself is true power. Okay, I'm going to say that one more time. Mastering yourself is true power. Okay, now, the Change Your Life Club is looking for people with a desire to start their own home-based businesses, okay? And what we want to do is to introduce you to the new global marketing industry. We're also looking for leaders or those with a desire to become leaders in this new dynamic industry. And with our company, Genusity 2.0, that we've partnered with, you will receive a free global wholesale superstore and a done-for-you marketing system. Folks, this is absolutely powerful. Okay, now we market high-quality universal products. Okay, that's what I call them. Okay, and they're products like CBD oil, keto fat-burning products, immune booster, hand sanitizer, pet health, and we have a host of other products. Okay. And the beautiful thing about it is that they're all at affordable prices, all right? Now, currently, we have 19 products in our store. In the next 12 months, we're going to be having, the projection is 150 to 200 additional products, all right? All at affordable prices. Now, these are products that people need, want, and use every single day. Now, your customers will be able to purchase products from your online store at wholesale prices, okay? And as a distributor, you will be able to purchase those same products at below wholesale. Now, with our business model and comp plan, you do not have to recruit anybody, okay, into the business to make some really great money with our company, okay? And the other thing I love about this is that you'll be able to market, to small or mid-size retail stores, mom and pop stores in your area and beyond, okay? If you hear some noise and my family's out there having a little get together, so it might bleed through. Now, here's something you always hear. We have the best comp plan in the industry. Well, let me tell you something. We really do have the best comp plan in the home-based business industry today. Nobody can do what we're doing, okay? That's why we're calling it the new global marketing industry. Now, you'll be able to earn up to 55% retail profits daily, make up to 100% daily fast start bonuses, okay? Make up to 100% monthly power unilevel pay. Folks, when you see this, okay, you'll see how powerful this is, particularly with our products, with our compensation plan, with our system. Everything about what we do is really incredible, okay? Think about having enough time and enough money to do basically anything you want to do. And with our team, I'm just going to tell you this really quickly. We offer you right now unequaled support. And all you have to do is test us out even before you come on board with us. Send us a text. All right, let us talk. Let us get with you and share some things with you, okay? Or you can simply, okay, take the free tour, get your free store, have a look around, see if this resonates with you, and we'll get you going, man, to make some money. I'm Terry Brown. Look, grab the link. Oh, before I do close, I do want to mention the Success Motivation conference calls that we're going to be starting to have with our team. You want all that information, grab the link and check us out today. Check out our business. Check out what we're doing. Okay, I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed day. Hope to see you on the inside real soon. Bye-bye now.